Welcome, foolish mortal, to the Disney Day vlog featuring.
Me. Hi. It's
So,
been a while.
It's been a long time.
Been a while. As they've already said, welcome, foolish mortals, to the Disney Day vlog. Yeah.
So we're just here looking to see if we can find some Halloween stuff, and also it's just been a while.
Halloween
since I've been
stuff.
here.
It's been a while for, both of us to get together to do this stuff. It's also been a while since I've done anything. I've been to Disney many times recently, but first time for me and Dave to be doing something here. Yeah.
And he can't do it without little Boo.
I didn't do it without little Boo. It's the reason for, he's the reason for the season. Remember that. Yeah. We'll see some Halloween decorations here. We'll go to Epcot, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? It's a whatever happens day.
Yep.
See some Tron, possibly.
Maybe.
People mover.
Just keep watching, and you'll find out when we do.
And it's starting to rain again.
Of course.
Amazing.
Woo!
We love it here. We love Florida.
The Haunted Mansion, now on Cartoon Network. It's a nice shirt, I guess.
It is night. I was right. It's night.
Cool point.
Crazy.
Magical Disney Legos. Woo-hoo. Bring your wallets out, foolish mortals.
One collectible one. That one has a slightly damaged box. So
It's like a scanner. Oh yes, I definitely want Haunted Mansion Crocs.
Crocs. You need Crocs.
On holiday. This is kind of cool for $300 though. Maybe not that great. Ah, yeah, that's really scary. Oh. Here's the Haunted Mansion RIP. Because the box ripped. Mobile checkout. So these hats are $29.99. Not bad. I mean, not little Boo, but you know, not bad. My Spooky Place, $36.99. These hats are kind of cute. $24.99. It's a Nightmare Before Christmas ears. It's kind of a traditional Halloween bucket. Pumpkin, but it lights up. Very, very flickery. Say trick or treat. Oh.
Yes, it makes sounds.
You know, like the jack-o'-lantern?
It's not my type.
Alright. $29.99 for this little shirt. That sounds like Disney.
I personally don't like that they give the kids Twitter styles.
Yeah. And if you're wondering, that's actually not Bret.
Yes, it is actually me.
Okay.
That screaming was all me the whole entire time.
Okay. Well, I was trying to be nice, but I'm glad you admit to it at least. Ooh, the Magic Band Plus.
For $34 or $44, I'm not going into $99. You too can have an Apple Watch that doesn't do Apple Watch things.
Yes. It blinks. Don't you want it? No.
It blinks. It vibrates. It does something.
Ooh, it
You
vibrates.
wave at their statues, they wave back at you. Probably not. They do make sound though.
So when they say it's the 50th anniversary, they mean it's going to be 50 years that they're going to be selling this merchandise. And Florida. Whoop. Rain plans. Oh look, we're going over to Woody Woodpecker's Kidzone.
Hey, we're going to the circus. Let's go to the circus. You like the circus, right?
I like it when it's McGurkus.
Circus. You know Kidzone.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's Kidzone, right?
So back here for Halloween Horror Nights is going to be the Weekend House and the other one, the Monsters House.
Yeah.
And then you're going to have the two originals in the tent houses.
Of course, yes.
I'm basically telling everybody what is everywhere.
Also, in the front of the park, we're going to have the house Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and of course Friday. Friday's going to be inside of former TGI Fridays, next to the Spirit Halloween.
And we have Splash Mountain right here.
Yep, that's a refurb, just finished. And this is Flight of the Hippogriff over here.
Yes. Woody Woodpecker.
Woody what? We're over in Tron, which apparently is a ride that will open, maybe,
Eventually.
someday. And this is the train that last ran at in 1920. Just a little before Disneyland was open.
It'll be running eventually.
This train isn't exciting anymore because it lost its wood. Over here, it looks like we still have wood.
It's actually pretty printed.
I remember being here 15 years ago looking at the early stages of this construction. When I was here as a kid in the 80s, that's when they started putting the foundations in for this. All right, our continuing search for Halloween Horror Nights.
Yes, our Horror Night stuff. Yes, this is going to be a scare zone for Horror Nights, right in Tomorrowland. Yes, so this is going to be called Mickey and Friends Unleashed. There's going to be some like mutated Mickey Mouses around here. There's going to be the 1940s Mickey, you know, and then there's going to be the gas mask Mickey.
Oh.
Donald Duck is going to have an appearance. It's going to not change because he's so terrifying to begin with.
Oh, yes.
Goofy is going to be missing an eyeball.
Oh.
The Mad Hatter is going to be there, but the Johnny Depp Mad Hatter. But it's going to be the Johnny Depp Mad Hatter, and it's going to be a mixture of the Mad Hatter from like the PBS Alice in Wonderland series. And if you Google that, you'll see what I mean. And then they're going to have this, they're going to turn this into purses for Halloween as well.
Yes.
This is all speculation at this point, but their Halloween event has already started, and I haven't seen any pictures from it, but from my sources, I heard that it's all happening.
Oh yeah, I heard that it's definitely happening. They're just restricting photos because it's a surprise.
It's a surprise, and then again, like I said, it's the Halloween Horror Nights Scare Zone that's going to be right
Yep.
here. And this is all factual. This is all factual. It's actuality.
Yes. Don't look it up. Don't look it up. You don't have to.
Just take my word for it.
You don't have to.
My
We just told you
sources-
it's true.
My sources are always 100% correct. Don't even have to look anywhere else.
We did the work for you. Over by the People Mover, you know, the one that actually runs. Yep. Happy Halloween! Bubbles, why? It is $69.99 for that.